three different networking devices, that is hub, switch and router. At the end of this video, you also come to know the exact differences between these three devices. So let's start with hub. Hub is a simple and cheap networking broadcast device, works under physical layer of OSI model that connects bunch of computers together in a network. But it does lots of wastage of bandwidth. So let's see the clear picture for better understanding. As here you can see, all the PCs are connected to a centralized device called hub. Whenever a PC sends data, it is going to replicate to all the connected PCs in a network. Means user cannot send data to a particular PC and it simply creates lots of traffic. And this is one of the disadvantage of hub. Now let's go to switch. Switch is a multicast networking device, works under data link layer of OSI model that connects bunch of computers or devices in a network. Now the question is, how switch is different from hub? Hub is a broadcast device which sends data from one PC to all, but switch is a multicast device which can send data to a particular PC you want. Let's see the clear picture for better understanding. Here you can see all the devices are connected to a centralized device called switch. Unlike hub, switch is able to send data to a particular devices in a network. Example, server is able to send data to PC1, PC2 is able to send data to PC3 and PC4 is able to send data to PC5. Means using a switch, a PC can send data to a particular user in a network. Now let's move to router. Router is a networking device, works under network layer of OSI model and it is used to connect two or more different networks. Now the question is, how router is different from switch or hub? Hub and switch are networking device used to connect PC or any devices on the same network. But router is a device used to connect two or more different networks. Let's see the clear picture for better understanding. Here you can see network 1 is assigned with the IP address 10.0.0.0 with CIDR value 8 and network 2 is assigned with the IP address 20.0.0.0 with CIDR value 8. Hence both are different networks and cannot communicate with each other. So we use a centralized device called a router to make them communicate with each other. Router uses an IP address for sending packets to a devices in a network. Here is a table and I have mentioned all the possible differences between hub, switch and router and you can go through this. So guys, this is all about today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.